Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
Start by gathering the right tools and preparing the area for repair. Gather 400, 600, and 1000 grit sandpaper, a soft microfiber cloth, rubbing alcohol, and non-abrasive stainless polish. Work on a cool, clean surface and wipe the appliance with alcohol to remove oils. Use painter's tape to protect edges and components. Measure the scratch length and depth and note scratches up to 3.5 inches long for planning. Begin sanding with 400 grit sandpaper, always moving gently in the grain direction. Sand each pass for 30 to 60 seconds and check the scratch visually. After initial smoothing, switch to 600 grit to blend the edges further and sand evenly. Finish sanding with 1000 grit to refine the surface and restore a smoother finish. Rinse with clean water between grits and dry with a microfiber cloth to assess progress. After sanding, apply a pea-sized amount of non-abrasive stainless polish to a soft cloth. Rub the polish into the repaired area in circular motions for 3 to 5 minutes until the finish blends with surrounding metal. Buff the area with a clean cloth to remove residue and restore shine. Seal the repair with a thin coat of mineral oil to enhance corrosion resistance. Avoid bleach or abrasive cleaners going forward to maintain the repair.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.